Elon Musk has finally confirmed what millions have been waiting for. The 2026 Tesla Model 2 is ready. And it's shaping up to completely disrupt how we think about owning a car. For years, Tesla has teased the idea of an affordable EV that doesn't compromise on quality, range, or tech. Now, with the Model 2, that vision is finally taking shape. This is not just another compact EV. It's a redefinition of practicality, affordability, and longevity, a car designed to be the last one you'll ever need. Let's face it, the hidden costs of car ownership don't end when you buy the vehicle. Monthly payments, fuel, maintenance, parking, and the anxiety of depreciation quickly add up. Many households even end up owning a second car just to cover weekend trips or family needs. Tesla's Model 2 is Musk's bold attempt to break that cycle. It's designed as an all-in-one solution that merges affordability, flexibility, and advanced technology into a single, compact body. Elon Musk's pitch is straightforward. The Model 2 will be the EV that replaces not only your daily driver but your backup car too. It's meant to do everything from city commutes to weekend getaways, while costing far less to own and operate. This isn't just about making a cheaper Tesla. It's about creating a vehicle ecosystem that reshapes how we use and think about personal transportation. The 2026 Model 2's foundation is built on practicality. Its compact size makes it perfect for urban living. But it's still spacious enough for family trips, thanks to smart use of interior space and a versatile cargo system. The rear seats fold completely flat, transforming the interior into a mini cargo van when needed. You also get a front trunk, or frunk, adding even more utility for groceries, luggage, tools, or sports gear. The Model 2 eliminates the need for keeping a larger just-in-case vehicles sitting in your driveway. Tesla designed this model around efficiency, not just performance. The company knows that the biggest barrier for most potential EV buyers is cost, both upfront and ongoing. That's where the Model 2 changes everything. It's engineered for extreme manufacturing efficiency, utilizing Tesla's next-generation Gigafactory technology and structural battery pack design. These innovations drastically reduce the number of parts, simplify assembly, and slash production costs, allowing Tesla to price the Model 2 far lower than any of its previous vehicles. But it's not only the initial price tag that makes this car. It's revolutionary. It's the lifetime ownership cost. When you drive a gasoline car, every mile eats into your wallet. On average, gas-powered vehicles cost around 10 to 13 cents per mile when you factor in fuel and maintenance. In contrast, the Model 2's electric drivetrain brings that down to just 4 to 6 cents per mile. If you drive 1,000 miles per month, that translates into savings of around $50 to $60 every single month. Over several years, those savings could easily add up to thousands of dollars, covering a big chunk of your car's purchase price. Beyond cost, the Model 2 emphasizes reliability. EVs are mechanically simpler. No oil changes, no timing belts, no exhaust systems. Tesla has further improved the drivetrain efficiency and durability, ensuring minimal maintenance. Even the brake system lasts longer due to regenerative braking, which recaptures energy when slowing down and feeds it back into the battery. It's a level of engineering refinement aimed at ensuring that this car stays useful and efficient for decades, not just a few years. Another overlooked innovation in the Model 2 is its vehicle-to-load V2L capability, the ability to power devices directly from the car. This feature, already seen in some high-end EVs, turns the Model 2 into a portable energy hub. With a roughly 50 kilowatt-hours battery, it can provide about 1 kilowatt of continuous power for 50 hours or 2 kilowatts for over a full day. That means you could power a fridge, charge tools, cook while camping, or keep essential home appliances running during a blackout, all from your car. It's a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts and homeowners alike. Offering peace of mind in emergencies, Tesla's commitment to sustainability doesn't stop at the battery. The company has been advancing aluminum and high-strength steel structures, cutting weight while boosting safety. The Model 2 benefits from this same approach, offering a lightweight frame that improves energy efficiency and performance. Combined with Tesla's latest battery chemistry, likely a form of lithium, iron phosphate LFP, or even the newer sodium-ion variant, it ensures longer lifespan and lower costs, while also reducing reliance on rare materials like nickel and cobalt. When it comes to performance, the Model 2 doesn't disappoint either. Though designed as an affordable city car, it carries Tesla's trademark acceleration and smooth torque delivery. Instant power, agile handling, and a low center of gravity give it a driving feel far beyond typical compact cars. Tesla understands that people don't just want an efficient car, they want one that's fun to drive. Inside, the Model 2 carries the minimalist Tesla DNA, but adapted for its price point. Expect a smaller but vibrant central touchscreen running Tesla's latest operating system, full connectivity, and the option for future upgrades via over-the-air software updates. Every Tesla improves over time through software, and the Model 2 is no different. It's designed to remain relevant even as technology advances, so owners won't feel left behind every time a new model releases. Musk's larger strategy also includes transforming how cars are used, not just how they're built. One of the Model 2's most groundbreaking ideas is its potential integration with Tesla's shared mobility network. Picture this: when you're not using your car, you could make it available for autonomous ride-sharing through the Tesla app. Your Model 2 could pick up passengers, earn income, and return home all autonomously. That turns the car from a depreciating asset into a money-making tool. Musk has long discussed a future where cars can serve as shared assets, contributing to their owners' income streams rather than just draining money through insurance and maintenance. With full self-driving FSD technology improving every year, Tesla is positioning the Model 2 as the first mass-market car designed from day one with this business model in mind. Even if full autonomy isn't immediately approved everywhere, the system could still enable semi-autonomous ride-hailing, allowing Tesla owners to participate in early versions of the network. From a design perspective, the Model 2 strikes a balance between futuristic simplicity and mass-market appeal. It's expected to feature clean aerodynamic lines, minimal drag, signature Tesla elements like flush door handles and a panoramic roof. Every design choice serves a purpose, from maximizing efficiency to enhancing manufacturing speed. Tesla's factories, including Giga Mexico and Giga Shanghai, are being optimized to mass-produce this car faster and cheaper than ever before, using a single-piece cast structure that cuts complexity and increases durability. Tesla's ultimate goal with the Model 2 is to make EV ownership accessible to nearly everyone. At an estimated price around $25,000, this will be the most affordable Tesla ever built. But affordability doesn't mean compromise. It's expected to deliver a range of around 250 miles on a single charge, fast charging capabilities compatible with Tesla's supercharger network, and access to the growing number of third-party chargers using the NCS plug. For many people, the Model 2 will be their first Tesla, but Musk wants it to be their only car for years to come. By combining long-lasting hardware, upgradable software, and energy flexibility, the Model 2 becomes not just a mode of transport, but a long-term investment in mobility. It's designed for a world where owning multiple cars is unnecessary, where one vehicle does everything from school runs to road trips. From powering your home in emergencies to making you money when parked, the ripple effect of this release could be enormous. Affordable EVs like the Model 2 could accelerate global adoption, push legacy automakers to cut prices, and make sustainable transport mainstream far faster than anyone expected. Tesla's advantage lies not only in technology, but in integration. Its vehicles, batteries, energy systems, and AI all work within a single ecosystem. That synergy means the Model 2 won't just be cheaper to buy. It'll be smarter and more capable than its competitors at the same price point, in a world still recovering from high fuel prices, rising living costs, and growing environmental concerns. The timing couldn't be better. Consumers want efficiency, independence, and simplicity. Musk's answer to all three is the 2026 Tesla Model 2, a car that reimagines what ownership means in the electric era. Imagine no longer worrying about fluctuating gas prices. No more surprise repair bills, no more feeling like your car is losing value every year. Instead, you get a vehicle that updates itself, pays for itself, and adapts to your life. That's the promise of Tesla's 2026 Model 2, and it's not just a car. It's the beginning of a new chapter in how humans move, live, and connect. So as the automotive world braces for its next big shift, one thing is clear: the Model 2 isn't just another EV in Tesla's lineup. It's the vehicle that could finally make electric driving the default choice for everyone. Elon Musk's dream of a sustainable, accessible, and intelligent future on wheels has never looked more real. And with the Model 2 ready for 2026, that future is finally within reach.